it's all very well. It's all very well. We girls,
What was that?
That's revolting. Where's Simon? Do you know, this is the woman who organises this show. Look. Look, we're all alone. I mean, apart from Justine, who's just like popping up. I don't know where the boys are. Where are the boys?
I don't know.
They've deserted us.
I think they've gone for
We thought they'd gone out for a bit of mulled wine yet. Mulled wine's ready, by the way, everyone. We're not allowed any yet, but I think they've snuck off early. Where are they? Where are you, boys?
I'll tell you where we are, Annie. We are in the gallery. Now, the gallery is in the bowels of Cable 7, and we are surrounded by technological advances, all these gadgets and gizmos, TV screens, and we've even got real humans in here. And Mike is going to tell us who they are.
Well, we're saying real humans, using the term very loosely. We've got Tracy here, Sean, and Paul. And what are you doing tonight, Tracy?
Actually making sure the whole show runs on time and to a very tight schedule.
Is that working?
Of course.
It never normally does.
Sean, you're doing...
I'm doing graphics, Mike.
And wonderfully are too? And Paul?
I'm doing vision mix.
So you're the nerve centre of all?
Yeah.
He's the main man, Paul is.
Vision, mixing the vision, film mix.
And we're going back to Simon now, who's going to be talking to
Yes,
Terry.
Terry, the main man here, Terry. Now, Terry, what do you do here? Because everybody tells me you don't do a great deal.
Well, I play the videotapes.
Really?
Yes.
Well, what we got
To
on tonight
time.
then? Anything to time?
Well, top 20's ready.
Really?
Already.
Already
Yeah.
queued up?
2 minutes.
Ready to go? Oh,
Yes.
now you see, this is what Tracy does, isn't it? Because
Yes.
she tells me, she shouts
She
to me,
does.
2 minutes, and then I've got to sort of wind everything up, you see.
That's right.
It's so technological. You think it's so easy, you're sitting at home in your easy armchairs, you don't realise what we have to put up with. And I mean, just look, how on earth can you get anything done when you've got people like this here working in the studio? I mean, it's absolutely crazy. Haven't you got a job? I don't know what. Can't you do it then? Do this job and do it properly, please. Mike. What are we doing next? I'm covered in this stuff.
That's his job, it's to spray silly spray over everyone.
It's incredible. Now, actually, shall we go through to the office? Because I think that the phones are getting a bit red hot in here. Are the phones red hot in there, boys and girls? Yes? Yeah, absolutely loads of them. Yes, I'm on. If you're talking on the telephone now, you're actually on Cable 7. You're actually live on Cable 7. It's me, Simon, talking to you. We've got Simon Elliott, and we've also got Pip. And Pip's gorgeous. Let's give her a kiss. Hello, Pip. Now...
You didn't have a kiss for me, did you notice that?
Oh, go on then. I'll give you a kiss. I don't care, me. See, another phone. The phones are so red hot here tonight. It's unbelievable. Now, I'm going to have to actually grab the prize draw bin, because very shortly I'm going to have to run into the studio, take the prize draw bin in there, because we're going to be drawing tonight's prize, and it'll be coming up after the top 20. Okay, so Paul Stewart and the top 20 is coming up in 3, 2, 1 second now. Bye.